So what's going to happen is I'm going to get the boat out. You're going to drive the boat to where the car impound is, just so I can put my car away.
Okay.
Just so it makes it easier.
Yeah, no, that's fine. Me, I no mind.
How are you not here already?
Just chill out.
Oh, your car's not right.
I mean, it goes like 200, but it's style.
Yeah. But it's not rapid, is it?
I'm going to get the boat out and then put this car away.
Nobody's money.
I'm tempted just to VPN like who's gonna die right now. Just to, you know, stare some shit or something.
Oh wait, you came here as well.
Yeah, because you said I could drive. I wanna drive it over there, mate.
Yeah, okay.
You like the boat,
Can you just drive it across the water to the car?
Of course I can.
Well, how the fuck am I?
Can't swim.
There we go. I just dived into the rocks.
Yeet. Oh god, hold on. I'm stuck on the roof, boys. No, I'm stuck. Oh god, boys. Alright, let me come drive. Give me the fucking boat, boy. Wait, skink.
Look at the fucking.
Give me the fucking boat.
Wait, just watch the handling. Am I driving across the water towards the impound? Yeah.
Yeah, go to the car impound. Jason
I
Bourne
was stuck in
declared
the
dead.
stars.
Can you not?
Watch you get seasick.
Hey, slam a left, go to the fucking impound.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Whack a left.
I want to see these guys' faces when we pull up in a yacht to meth pick up.
Come on, quick. Just don't beach it, for fuck's sake. Be careful. Because I don't want it to be scratched up when we get there.
I don't know, I was sitting down.
There's only one passenger seat though, for some reason.
Yeah, so everyone else just has to stand on the back.
I was trying to shift D or something.
The fact that you're looking behind you while you reverse.
Am I? Oh, I am. Yeah. That's what...
It doesn't help. Alright, I'm here.
I like how they're putting an announcement in the server now for their website. Because, you know.
More money.
Give me.
Holy shit, what's happened to my Maserati?
What's
What's
it got?
happened to your
What's
Maserati?
What's happened to Maserati?
It's fucking rapid, boy.
Why are we going forwards?
I'm literally running across the water now.
Oh shit!
Bye, Nova.
You know when you accidentally jump and perfectly dive into the water, but it was like on accident, so you don't want to flex on that.
We were trying to take a photo earlier and we kept diving in the water.
Is it not annoying that it doesn't have a boat horn? It just sounds like a car.
Yeah.
And the horn comes out the back.
I'm gonna. Oh, is it too cheeky to ask for a boat, like, repair shop? Where they could do upgrades?
Nova, what are you doing?
Now you're thinking with
Launch me
portals.
into the water, mate, what do you mean?
Right, I'm in.
Why
The
the
most
hell did it just
ugliest
put
test
me
I've
back
ever
to
seen.
the
Do you wanna
compound?
I'm gonna put my seatbelt on. Does somebody want to come sit next?
Yeah, that's it, mate.
Oi, blood.
I'm under the boat, I'm gonna die.
Oh, wait.
They have a new game for us to play.
What do you mean new game?
Breezy, are you busy?
Hold
Yeah,
on.
we are. We're gonna.
We're with the boat going to meth pickup.
We're gonna flex on our
yeah.
yacht.
I was going to say, if you're on duty, I got a job for you. It's not me, though, so don't worry about it. It's Lucifer.
No, I'm not. I'm
Oh,
on duty.
fucking hell. Lady, can you get on the...
Yeah, fuck him.
I'm trying to get on the boat. God damn it.
Do you remember a first-person shooter game where you use portals to get around? Not Portal, the game. Like it's called.
Quake?
No, Splitfire.
No.
Lady,
never
can you revive someone for me if
No.
I RDM'd him?
It's pretty decent.
If you
Like
are
I just know I VDM'd him. That's one. I accidentally VDM'd him.
Okay.
Does this
What's
mean
his
Nate's,
ID?
does this mean Nate's also going to catch a ban?
Hopefully.
Because I would like to see you following the rules, lady. So, Nate,
Wait.
If it's his
that's
first
Ernie.
offence, I can't really kick him for that.
I mean,
Yeah, it's
I'm
accidental.
pretty sure it's not his first fucking offence.
Nah, just provide 114 and it's all good.
Nova, text your boy, tell him to go to the water.
Come on, where are you boys at with the yacht?
Oh, we're
Right,
pulling
actually
up
done
now,
it.
mate.
We're at Matt.
Did it work?
Where you is?
Fucking hell, go on, you're steaming ahead.
Sick, innit?
Where you is? Oh
I'm
yeah.
on the roof dancing.
Set up my GPS so he knows where we are.
Alright, I'm gonna go on shore and grab some.
Man. It's such a fucking baller car.
I'm doing some meth, boys.
Fucking love me.
Gotta love having a yacht. Oh, we love it.
Someone's waving.
I'm
Hello.
already on a 5 kill streak. What the fuck?
Oh, you're playing against children.
No,
Because you are not that good.
He's against bots, man. Come on, give him some credit.
I'm not. This is all online players, and I'm already on like a 8 kill streak. It's my first game.
Definitely against bots. No
You
question.
guys are dog shit.
Do you want to antagonise him? I'm down. It's
Uh,
on you, mate.
oh, it's-
Call him shite, go
Can
on.
you imagine? Can you imagine Tequila do not fucking wave at the fucking runners like this, do they?
Nah, we're a lot more personal. They fucking threaten the runners.
Opa! Hello!
Fucking, they actually
Hey,
feel
you
like
lot are balling,
safe
balling.
to go over there as well.
I just brought them over.
He's not bad.
I'm hopping in driver's seat.
If
Just
Tequila was like,
simple.
oh, come have a look
Mr.
at our yacht,
Bain.
they'd be like, nah.
Hello.
How we doing, boys and girls?
Want to see some techers, lads? How are you, alright?
Go
Yo.
boy.
Hey!
Wait, we got
These
everyone.
lot are balling.
Do I look a bit better now, Mr. Bain?
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck.
Yeah, you do, mate. Right, if you fall off the boat, we'll stop. Make sure you shat. Oh, fuck.
Right.
Be very
Right,
careful.
That's 2 gone.
Oh, fuck.
Baby, don't stand on the roof.
I tell you what,
car's not locked either.
hold on, quiet, everyone quiet. I tell you what, let's go on a little river cruise under that bridge up ahead, Breezy.
Oh,
Oh god.
Yeah, slash
That's
go
like a
to
fucking
nine.
terrible idea.
but I'm not gonna lie, my car's not locked. It's got
Right,
5
wait
bags.
for everyone to get back on
It's
it.
fine.
You, if you want to swim back, I can drop you back.
Yeah, they're
Right.
coming to you.
No, slow down.
Oh shit, he's still
Wait,
there. He's still back
you've left
there.
him, you've left him, bro, you've left him.
Look at
Is
him,
he good
fucking
at swimming?
Tom Daly
F1.
over there, bro.
Last one standing gets 50 grand.
Is that official? Or?
Cheers,
Is that a
boys.
bet? Is it?
Right. We're gonna go to the right. Not that one, you fucking gay boy.
That one's lower though.
No, this one's the one we went through earlier. It's got the waterfall.
Oh, we're going down the waterfall.
Yeah, we're going down the waterfall, boys.
Oh, what?
I'm
It's I don't know if we can get back
It's
up.
not
first.
as big as you think.
Oh, okay.
Like,
Yeah, but how do we
Yeah,
get
shut
them
the
all
fuck
back
up.
up?
that's about the
though?
waterfall
What
as
do you
well.
mean
That's not
it's
as
not
big
as
as
big
it.
Need the glow sticks.
Wait, how are we getting everyone back up though?
Just sail it to the nearest garage.
Let's go full send then, shall we?
We're just gonna take you on a river cruise. Gonna
We should
treat you
start
right.
charging for
We
this
need the
shit.
tunes, bro.
Alright,
Somebody play
guys,
the fucking tunes and I don't give a fuck.
You might want to
Oh
get.
fuck, I'm falling!
Get in the
I'm
middle,
falling,
get in the
lads!
middle.
Oh, fuck.
You might want to
Flex your
get off the
legs.
roof and get inside.
Okay.
Yeah, button this, bro.
Pussies.
Wait, hold on. Hang about. If we're sending it, we've got to send it proper.
You ready?
Come on, let's
I'm
fucking
in.
go.
Please.
I'm
Wait,
stuck
I
at
need
the
to
back,
take
bro.
off
Oh,
my
Dude, go!
bro, I'm dead. I'm dead, bro.
Did that just kill us all?
I'm good.
Did you?
Come inside, boys!
Did you? Please say you have it on clip.
Yes.
Right now, what you want to do is slash report. And
So many glow sticks in the fucking water. Oh my
how far
god.
did you die? Am I going to be able to see?
I can.
Does everyone fell off? Oh my days.
Just gonna dance in the graves of my enemies and friends.
Wait, what do I write in the report though, lady? I don't know what...
Don't.
We fell down a waterfall and killed like 4 people. Oh, bad yo.
Just get lady to
ID 76 as well.
We were just having a bit of fun. Come on, there's
What's
nothing
your
wrong with this. It's,
It's one of
One
those
sec.
I can't see an issue. Fucking
201.
rushing all that like you